guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a makeup and skincare haul. I'm always doing hauls on my channel. I'm always buying new makeup and new things to try, so I always share them with you. So today is another beauty and skincare haul. I think all things are drugstore or affordable, so yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so I'm going to start with the skincare. So first of all, I picked up a couple of face wipes. I picked up the Boots biodegradable cucumber cleansing wipes. There's 25 in a pack. I always use these for filming because I use them to take off my lip swatches and things like that, and these are so affordable. These are only like £1 from Boots, so I always buy these ones for filming, so I go through these really quickly. So I picked up these. I also picked up a pack of Simple Water Boost hydrating cleansing wipes. These are my favourite ones for taking off all my makeup because they're so hydrating. They have a lot of water in them, and it just makes it so easy to take off your makeup at the end of the day. And I think that these were about £3.50 to £4 from Boots. But I think they were doing like buy one get one free or buy one get one half price, because I picked up another one, but this is slightly different. These are the Simple Micellar wipes. These are biodegradable and they cleanse and instantly hydrate, so they're not as hydrating as the hydrating ones, but they still are infused with hydration. There's also 25 in this one. There's only 20 in this one, so, but they were like the same price, so that's annoying. Then I picked up another Nivea day cream. I always use Nivea day creams. I use the sensitive one, the matte one, I can't remember, but there's loads of types and I always use them. But I haven't used the mattifying one before. So I picked this one up. It's for combination or oily skin. But the annoying thing is this one doesn't have SPF. All the other ones have SPF. Like I have another one here. This is the Sensitive Skin Soothing Day Cream, and this is SPF 15. This one doesn't. So that's really annoying. It doesn't say SPF on it anyway, so that's really annoying. But yeah, I always buy Nivea ones, and I think that they're only a couple of pounds. So yeah, got these from Boots. I picked up another Nivea Q10 anti-wrinkle eye cream. I use Nivea eye creams all the time because they are anti-wrinkle and they have like this energy boost in them for like tired eyes. So it's kind of like a vitamin boost type thing, vitamin C. So I always buy Nivea ones. They are pricey. These are like £12. But if you want anti-wrinkle and energy boost, you need to get these Nivea ones. So I also got this from Boots. Now my favourite end of the day moisturisers, like before you go to bed, are these ones. I alternate. So these are both simple. This one is the Hydrating Water Boost Gel Cream. I'm sure I've mentioned these loads on my channel because I buy them all the time. And then this one is the All Day Mattifying Moisturiser, and it helps to prevent spots. So I always like alternate these before bed. Simple, I just love Simple because there's no perfume, no harsh chemicals. It's so gentle on my skin, and I do kind of have slightly sensitive skin. And some days when I'm feeling dehydrated, I use the hydrating one, and when I want to control my oiliness, I use the mattifying one. So these are amazing. I can't remember how much they are, about £6 maybe, I'm not sure, but I love them and I repurchase them over and over and over and again. I think the rest now are makeup. So I'll start with primers. I picked up a couple of primers and I've been using them the last few weeks and I really like them. This is the Rimmel Lasting Finish 8-Hour Wear Makeup Primer. It's day proof, pore minimizing, even skin tone and skin perfecting. I like this. It does have a bit of a smell, so if you can get past that. But yeah, I do like this. It does make your makeup last all day, so it's really nice. I think it was about £7.99. But this was my favourite one. It's also by Rimmel, but it's just the matte version. So it says, it's mattifying primer, all day shine control. And this is really good. This literally stops oils and shininess all day. So I really, really like this. Now I picked up another Milani foundation. In my last beauty haul, I picked up the shade, first of all, it's the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and I picked up the shade Cream before. This time I've got 00A Porcelain. I still haven't done a review on it. I literally haven't found time to do a foundation review on the Milani foundations, but I will at some point, so keep an eye out for that in the future, but I picked up 2 shades because I just didn't know which shade I would be. This one seems a little bit darker than the other shade. The other shade seemed really pale, so we shall see. Maybe the other shade will be like my winter shade and this one my summer shade. We'll have to see. And I got this from Beauty Bay and it was £13.95, so it's pricey for a drugstore foundation, but hopefully it's good. I also picked up this. This is the number 7 Essentially Natural Foundation for all skin types. It's a light coverage, lightweight natural finish, and it has SPF 15. So mine is in the shade Calico. Keep an eye out for this because I will be filming a foundation review of this because I can't wait to try this out. I'll be filming it soon. This is probably just going to be like a very lightweight foundation, sheer coverage, natural finish, but I love that it has SPF. That's amazing. It's so hard to find foundations from the drugstore that have SPF, so that's really good. And this was about £10, so really affordable, so I can't wait to try that out from Boots. Then I picked up the new collection concealers. So collection has the Lasting Perfection concealer, but they've brought out a new formula, new packaging, new shades, and it's still the Lasting Perfection concealer, but this claims to be smudge proof, budge proof, transfer proof, and water resistant. So I picked up 2 of these. I got the shades 4 Extra Fair and 5 Fair from Boots. I think they were about £3.50, £4. But I will be filming a review of these as well in the upcoming weeks, so keep an eye out for a review on these because I'm very excited to try them. I love the original collection concealer, so let's see if this one is any better. So keep an eye out for those soon. And then I also picked up Milani concealers. They are the Conceal and Perfect Longwear concealers, and I've got the shade 100 Pure Ivory and 105 Ivory Rose. And I think these were around about £10 each. I'm not 100%, but one is a lot darker than the other, so I might have to mix them together. So when I film my Milani foundation review, I will film the concealers at the same time and do it all in one. So keep an eye out for that soon. I also picked up this Milani bronzer. This is the Silky Matte Bronzing Powder, and mine is in the shade 01 Sunlight. It's the palest shade that they do. And a lot of YouTubers that I watch that are similar skin tones to me really like it. So I thought I'd give it a try. I think it was about £13, £14 as well. I got this from Beauty Bay, so I'm very excited to try that out as well. It looks like it looks like it'd be the perfect match actually, so very excited. Then I picked up another one of my Maybelline Fit Me Loose finishing powders in the shade Fair 05. I have one. I bought it in America a few years ago and I love it. It is my favourite powder ever, and they've started selling them on Amazon now, so that's really good. So I bought this from Amazon. I don't remember how much it was, but this is my favourite powder. I love it, so I'm so glad I've got a backup one. I picked up another NYX Control Freak Clear Eyebrow Gel. I use these and I go through these so quickly, so I'm always repurchasing these. It is one of my favourite eyebrow gels, just because it's so affordable and it just does the job for you. So I picked up another one of those. I also picked up another shade of the NYX Butter Glosses. I have about 4 or 5 shades of these, but I didn't have the shade Tiramisu. So I picked this one up and I can't wait to try it. It looks very nice. Should I put a bit on now? I'm currently wearing the NYX Lingerie lip gloss, and mine is in the shade Honeymoon. So let's just put a bit of tiramisu on the top. It's a lot more pink. Very nice. I love it. Oh, I like the combination of the two as well. Very nice. And these are about £6. And then my final 2 things are nail polishes. I picked up the Sally Hansen Double Duty Base Coat and the Sally Hansen Instant Dry Top Coat. And I also go through these so fast. Whenever I do my nails, I always use this base coat, and most of the time I use this quick dry and top coat. And these were from Amazon. I don't remember how much they are, but I will link them down below for you. And I love these. So yeah, that completes this haul. These were all the things that I've been picking up the last few weeks, months. And I thought I'd share them with you today. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!